Thank you very much, and Happy New Year, everybody. As you know, Canadians are suffering. We have 1.5 million Canadians eating at a food bank in a single month. Reports of students living in homeless shelters because they can't afford the now $2,000 for average monthly rent. The cost of a mortgage payment is now a larger share of an average Canadian paycheck than at any time in recorded Canadian history. Some people are going to food banks asking for help with medical assistance in dying, not because they are sick, but because they are too poor and life is too miserable to go on. Why is inflation so exorbitant now? Well, the answer is the cost of government is driving up the cost of living. $500 billion of inflationary deficits has bid up the cost of the goods we buy and the interest we pay. Now, the Liberals will tell you it was all necessary, but we know that 40% of new spending in the last 2 years was not linked to COVID, according to the Parliamentary Budget Officer. We also know, according to the Auditor General, that about $30 billion of the COVID spending was questionable and $4 billion at least was wasted. One example, of course, is the ArriveCan app, whereby $50 million of contracts went to shady companies for questionable work. Some of the companies didn't do any work at all other than to recruit other companies that supposedly were to do the work, and that work was badly done because the app in the end did not even work.